Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start preparation for Sociology Optional Easy Method. Outline the syllabus, prioritize core concepts, and set a realistic weekly study plan. Start with foundational topics like sociological theory and research methods, then map them to the exam pattern. Use short notes and mind maps to link thinkers and concepts. Practice answer writing weekly and review feedback to improve clarity and structure. Stay consistent and patient. Select one reliable textbook per topic and pair it with concise notes for quick revision. This keeps study efficient and focused. Supplement with selected academic articles or lecture summaries where needed to deepen understanding. Create a compact list of about 20 core thinkers and their main ideas for instant recall during answer writing. Balance reading theory with examples from surveys and case studies to illustrate answers and boost marks. Adopt active study habits like summarizing each chapter in your own words and building mind maps to connect ideas. Schedule regular, timed answer writing practice focused on structure, linking theory to examples, and clear introductions and conclusions. Exchange answers with peers or mentors for feedback and revise based on comments to sharpen arguments. Rotate topics weekly to maintain breadth and revisit weak areas frequently to convert them into strengths through repetition and reflection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.